In this video, I'm going to show you how you can install Iris shaders in Minecraft version 1.21.8. This guide's going to walk you through every single step, and if you find it helpful, hit that like button and consider subscribing. It really does help out the channel. But first things first, if you are in Minecraft, go ahead and close out of it. And yes, this does include the Minecraft launcher. And the first thing that you're going to want to do is actually open up a web browser of your choice and go to irisshaders.dev. Hit this little download now button right here and then hit download universal jar. This is going to download the Iris installer, which is going to be how you actually load your shaders. Once this downloads for you, go ahead and click on it just like so to open up the shader. Make sure the game version is on 1.21.8 or whatever the current version of Minecraft is. Make sure it says Iris only here and then hit install. Once that finishes, close out of it just like so and open up another tab. And what you're going to want to do is actually get the shaders now from curseforge.com. Choose this little Minecraft section here and hit browse all and then scroll down till you find this shaders option and click on it, and also scroll down till you find the game version and filter it by 1.21.8 or onwards. This is going to show you all the best shaders. My favorite one personally is actually these complementary shaders right here, but you're able to choose any shaders that you would like. As long as you have it filtered by your current game version, it's going to work. So in this case, I'm actually going to download something different because I just made a video on these complementary shaders. We're going to go ahead and get Mellow right here, which is kind of like a more minimal looking shader pack it looks like, but something nice still. Essentially, click on this little file section up at the top and go ahead and filter it by game version, and then click on this little download button here and hit download file. This is going to load for about 5 seconds and it's going to download a zip file for you automatically. As you can see, it just started that for me. And what you're going to want to do now is actually open up the Minecraft launcher. From here, just make sure Iris and Sodium for 1.8 is actually selected. Click on it just in case and then hit play. And it's going to load you into the game. I'm going to minimize that as well. And once you get into the game, click on this little options section and find the video settings option. I'm going to make this a little bit bigger real quick so y'all can see. You're going to want to look for the shader packs option right here. Select it, and then from here, just open up a file explorer and go to the downloads tab, and then just drag that shader pack that you just downloaded into here. From here, go ahead and select that shader pack and hit apply, and then hit done just like so. From here, you just need to go ahead and load into any game that you would like. This is one that I created for Iris shaders, but I'm going to go ahead and load into it. And it's going to have the updated Mellow shaders that we did just downloaded. I actually do like Mellow a lot too, because it's like not too far from the original game, but it still looks pretty cool. But yeah, it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe for even more videos just like this. It really does help out the channel. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.